Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a fun little quick hair tutorial on how you can do a half up, half down messy bun with a cute little twist to it, which is this braid right here. So if you want to see how you can do a quick, easy half up, half down with a little braid, then just keep watching. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to show the easiest way to film and do my hair without the mirror, but I want to demonstrate like my new fun way of how I'm doing my hair right now, which is half of a braid and then half up, half down with a bun. So let me show you guys so y'all can try it on yourselves. Alright, don't forget the pink subscribe button right here, I think. Push that and you subscribe for more videos. Alright guys, so have my hair down. The easiest way I do it is I start by sectioning the top piece. So kind of as if you're just going to grab like your bangs or kind of like poof your hair or whatever. I just grab a little section right here and then I split that into three. And the smaller you get at the top, the longer the braid can be, because I kind of like to have my half up, half down buns kind of up at the top of my head. So if you start smaller and start right here, literally right at the front of your hairline, you can have more of that braid showing. So I use my 2 fingers and separate it out. So once I get my hair, 2 fingers to separate my 3 pieces, and then separate them out. Takes quite a bit of practice to French braid your hair if you don't know how to French braid, but keep practicing. So I use these 2 fingers when I'm crossing over, and I always like to start off my French braids with the 3 regular braids, and then I'll start adding in hair. Have it like this. So I'm gonna cross over, braid, and connect with these fingers, and then I'm just gonna add in some hair. And then just keep doing that all the way down. So then I'll grab this piece. Let's make sure I can see it. Grab with these 2 fingers. This is just my way of doing it. You'll find your own way and how you get the hang of it. The easiest thing for me is to learn how to French braid your hair first, which I do have a tutorial for that. Learn how to French braid your hair first. Keep practicing, playing around with it, and it'll get easier. So now I'm going to add in some hair, and I try and make it even amount on both sides of where I'm grabbing from. Okay. And then use these 2 fingers as I cross under. Grab some more hair. And then you're going to grab until you have your half up, half down part. So just keep doing that. Whatever's at the top is going to go to the side. Just remember that. And then you're always going to go under. Bring some more hair. And it goes underneath. And then like I said, whatever was on the top of the 3 pieces is going to go to the side. And I'm not using a mirror. I'm kind of trying to look at my viewfinder, but I'm not using a mirror, so it might not be perfect. Okay, now I'm going to go under, grab some hair, and whatever was on the top is going to flip to the side. Go underneath, and I like to try and tighten it so it's a nice tight braid and not loose. Grab from the sides, pull over underneath, grab some more hair. So this might be the ending of the braid. Grab some more hair, and it's going to go underneath. This is hard to show you. Okay, so then the top piece goes to the side. Grab the underneath piece, grab some more hair, Top piece goes to the side. I'm going to do one more. Underneath. Top piece goes to the side. I'm going to do another angle, so I'll do two angles. One with me bending down and another one with my head leaning back. So I'll do two angles so y'all guys can see two different sides. Okay, so now grab underneath, last one, grab some hair, put it to the side. Make sure I have my ponytail, yes. Okay, so now that I've finished the braid, I'm going to braid it, a regular braid in the back, just so that I don't lose the French braid. Okay, so I have it the way I want it. Grab my pony. And I'm going to do a messy bun. But my hair's long, so it's going to be different messy bun than how y'all's looks. Okay, so like I said, I haven't really been using a mirror for this, but this is how I've been doing my hair with a braid and a messy bun, and it's half up, half down. So keep practicing, it'll get better. It'll be easier when you have a mirror in front of you. So I took a little bit more hair than I wanted, but so I've actually been really liking this hairstyle just because it's like fun. You get a little braid, which is always fun, and then I'm loving the half up, half down messy bun look. So that's how it came out. And then the braid. Alright, so I'm going to take this all down and do one more angle from the back so y'all can see it that way. And it might actually be a little bit easier for me to film backwards because putting my head up, it was harder to like grab the hair and make it tight and even how I wanted it. But now let me turn around so that y'all can see what it looks like the other way. Alright. Alright guys, now time number 2 at a different angle. So let me just turn around so y'all can see how it goes. Okay. So this one might be a little bit easier for me. So I'm using my mirror for this one, you guys. Okay. So I'm going to separate my 3 sections and I'm going to make them a little bit smaller this time because the braid that I had last time I felt like it's a little bit too chunky for me. So I'm going to just make it a little bit thinner and y'all can see how it looks. So I'm going to grab a really small section at the top, split my 2, and let me show you up. Okay, so let me show you up front how I'm starting it. So just like how we did the other side, I split my sections into 2, and I'm just going to do a regular braid. Okay, so now I'm going to take a section of hair, a smaller section, add to the underneath. I'm about to turn around so you guys can actually see it from the back, but the top of my head you can't really see, so. Alright, so let me turn around since I got it started. So I have my sections. I'm going to go underneath, grab some hair. The one at the top goes to the side. So you pull this to the side. Grab these 2 fingers, go underneath and grab your hair that's underneath. Grab some more hair from the side. And it goes in your underneath fingers right there. Top piece goes to the side. Your 2 fingers go underneath and grab that hair. And it does take a lot of practice, guys. Okay, so then you grab some more hair and you put it to your underneath fingers. Grab those, and then the top piece goes to the side. Your two fingers go underneath and grab that hair. Grab some more from the side. And it goes to your two underneath fingers. Top piece goes on the side. And you're going to grab that with your thumb. Use your two fingers to grab the underneath piece. And I'm going to do one more little section, very small. Grab it with your two underneath fingers. Top piece goes on the side. Take your two underneath fingers. Grab the hair that's underneath. One more. Pull some hair and put it to your two underneath fingers. And the top piece goes on the side. So that is the French braid. Now, I actually wanted to get this little section in there. Okay. So grab your ponytail to get your half up, half down bun. And then this is how I do my messy buns. Oh, got some other hair in there. Alright. So this one came out a little bit more how I usually do it because I had the mirror, but I hope that was easier to see it from behind. So I have my little itty bitty braid at the top, and then my hair at the bottom, and my half up, half down bun. So this is the finished product of my half up, half down messy bun with a small little braid, so it gives it a cute little touch. So I hope this tutorial was easy for you guys, and I hope y'all can try it out and rock it. So here's the finished product. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys! So I was a little nervous to play around with the blue eyeliner just because I have green eyes, but it's really pretty. It's different. I like it.